Hi, it's Chef Rick, and today I'm making a Monte Cristo sandwich.
Right, this is a ridiculous one. This is so short. Crack a couple of eggs, give them a good whisk. It's a Monte Cristo sandwich. Just heard someone talk about it. I was like, what is a Monte Cristo sandwich? I looked and I made it. So, season those eggs. We're going to use a little bit of cinnamon, salt, pepper, just pinches of each, and just give those a good whisk round. If you've got an electric whisk, it's better than using a normal one because you want this to be really, really liquidy. So just give those a nice whisk round. And now we're going to get some nice thick, that's Warburton's Toasty, nice thick white bread. Spread a little butter on there. And some mayonnaise on one side. There we go, very nice. And some jam on the other side. This couldn't be simpler. You don't even need me talking over this. I ask you, if you could like and subscribe. I am back on it now. I'm putting up regular videos. So, yeah, if you like and subscribe, it means the world. Some good quality ham and some good quality turkey. And that's a little bit of Swiss cheese. So over there you go, that's a sandwich. That'd be delicious as is. But now we're just going to make it very, very naughty. Some people are going to watch this and be like, that is the worst thing I've ever seen in my life. But promise you, it's really, really, really nice. Get some oil and some butter in a pan. Get that lovely and hot. Get that all mixed round. And whilst that's heating, you take your beaten egg. And just cover that sandwich on all sides. Best you can. Don't leave it too long. You don't want it to soak all the way through, but you just want it to get nice and covered. Now your oil's nice and hot. Sandwich goes straight into the pan like this, and you're basically making French toast, really. That's the colours you want on the outside. You don't want it to go overcooked, but you want to make sure that all the eggs cook through. If you leave it too long soaking, then the egg's going to soak right into the bread and it's going to be difficult. But this was like 3 or 4 minutes in the pan. That's it. It's a Monte Cristo. Slice it in half so we can have a little look inside. And yeah, this really is. I can picture some people watching this. My mother's a big fan of mine. I bet she's watching this going, Richard, I would never eat that in a million years. But that's your Monte Cristo sandwich. Make it even crazier by dusting it with a little bit of icing sugar and serving some maple syrup on the side. And I promise you, I hope people are watching this going, ooh, that looks lovely. It was really, really, really nice. Is that my shortest video ever? Easiest video ever? I don't know. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.